Hey everyone, and welcome to my BlockFi crypto card review. I'll cover everything you need to know, from its features and ideal users to my personal experience. Check the description for links to more info. The BlockFi card is a rewards credit card designed for earning Bitcoin on everyday purchases. You get a straightforward 1.5% back in Bitcoin on everything, no confusing points or categories. Big spenders? Earn 2% back if you spend over $50,000 annually. Your Bitcoin rewards are automatically deposited into your BlockFi interest account, so you can earn even more through compounding. Even better, there are no annual fees, foreign transaction fees, or hidden charges. Perfect for frequent travelers. Manage everything easily within the BlockFi app, track transactions, rewards, and your account. One thing to note, you can't spend your crypto directly with this card. It's a traditional credit card that earns you Bitcoin rewards. This makes it great for those who prefer holding their crypto. The BlockFi card is perfect for anyone looking to passively earn Bitcoin without changing their spending habits. It's ideal for long-term crypto enthusiasts who want to turn everyday expenses into investment opportunities. My experience has been seamless, from sign-up to everyday use. The clear rewards, easy app integration, and lack of fees make it a top choice. So, if you're looking for effortless Bitcoin rewards and the benefits of BlockFi's interest account, this card is worth checking out. For more details and current offers, see the links below.